Hello everyone, I have just of the Maltese language. It's full of phrases for everyday life phrases. For example, if you go to a supermarket, hospital, restaurants, talking to a policeman, student at school. There are many phrases in this ebook of everyday life. Now, in this ebook, I also included the audio, so you will hear me say all the sentences that are written in this ebook. So you hear the Maltese spoken, you read it, and you will also hear the Maltese spoken. As the other book, I will leave a link in the description from where you can get it, and I will send everything via email. I will send you an email with the ebook and the audio in separate emails. I included the audio too, so you can hear the Maltese spoken, not only read it. It's better that you hear it spoken. Hope that, like the other book, you find this book interesting and useful for you to learn more the Maltese language. With the audio, hearing it spoken, you will learn it better. The Maltese language, you will learn it better. Thanks for now.